Hey guys, this is Candy of Natural Hair Dynamics, and today, as you can see, I'm starting off with very dirty, very dry hair with a lot of buildup from using products throughout the week. And I'm gonna show you today how I make my pre-shampoo treatment. I'm just starting by using this empty container. Any random container will do, just so you can mix the ingredients. And the first ingredient I have here is my conditioner, and this is by Eden Body Works, their jojoba manoi deep conditioner. But any cheap conditioner will actually do the trick. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. And I just have this disposable spoon. I'm using it just to take 2 heaping spoonfuls of that conditioner. And this is the only conditioner I happen to have on hand right now, so that's why I'm using this one. Ideally, I would prefer, a looser conditioner for this concoction, but this will work, not a problem, not a biggie. Then to that, I'm adding my Jamaican black castor oil. This is the real deal, guys. No fakey, no knockoff. Straight from yard we get the castor oil, so yes. And I'm just adding 1 heaping teaspoon, also 1 teaspoon of the castor oil. Yes, squeeze that baby out and just pour that onto the conditioner. And in addition to that, I'm adding this awesome oil from OneTrueNatural. It's called Shine of Mine, and it's a nourishing oil blend. And it's a combination of awesome oils that is great for the hair. And I'm gonna also add 1 tablespoon of that oil also. Great. And last but by no means least, this is my organic honey straight from the honey farm in Homestead. Yes. 1 tablespoon of the honey. You see how dark and thick and rich that honey is? Awesome. 1 tablespoon also. And guys, I'm not using a lot of the products just because I don't have much hair on my head, as you can see. So yeah, don't need that much. Alright, so I'm just mixing the ingredients together using the spoon to kind of blend them and incorporate them together, just to make an awesome thick rich consistency to apply to my hair. And because of the many oils and the honey and the thickness of the conditioner, it was a bit hard to mix it, so I had to get that elbow grease in. Yes, mixing and mixing. Yes, and as you can see, it looks rather luscious, thick and rich and ready to be applied. Yes. Alright, so let's get the show on the road, of course. And I'm actually applying it on my hair in its dry state. And especially because my hair is short, I find that it works very well with it being dry. Sometimes I would kind of damp my hair when my hair was longer before I did the big chop again. But for now, I find that this works well for me to just apply it to my hair while it's still dry. And I'm careful to ensure that every inch of my hair is actually coated with this goodness and incorporated, rubbing it in from roots to tips. Yes. And you can't not neglecting the back at all. The back needs some love. Yes. Rub it in. Rub it in. And just massaging my scalp at the same time, just to get that blood flowing, you know, and get the circulation in the scalp, and just to prepare that hair follicle. And I find that doing a pre-shampoo treatment actually aids in the wash day process, and it lends for less matting, easier detangling, and it just all over makes the hair way softer while it is being washed. So having fully applied all the products to my hair, I am just gonna go ahead and grab my shower cap, and this is a very thick shower cap which will aid in causing the products to penetrate into the hair. And I'm just gonna leave that on. So the shower cap has been on for 20 minutes and I'm gonna remove it now. And OMG, the softness is unreal, guys. And I don't know if you can notice, but the hair has actually moistened a lot, and actually has gotten damp, I guess, from, you know, the steaming process. Very soft. So I went ahead and rinsed out the pre-shampoo treatment, and trust me, I am tempted to just go ahead with my styling process because of how soft and detangled my hair turned out so far. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, proceed with the wash day process. It is super effective to do a pre-shampoo treatment, guys. So thank you for watching, and until next time, Candie here. Peace.